There are a lot of people that want to pull tags at certain times of the day. And we can accomplish that in Ignition by using the driven scan class. We can set the condition of the driven scan class to be true at certain times of the day and false at others. So in order to use that scan class, we have to create another tag here in Ignition that's going to drive that condition. So I'm going to right click on the tags folder and create an expression tag, because I'm going to utilize the functions that are in the expression language to get hours out of the day. So I'm going to go and create an expression tag. I'm going to call it trigger. I'm going to set the data type to be a Boolean and go over here to my expression area where I can actually put in the calculation that's going to be true between 8 and 10 in the morning and false any other time. So I'm going to utilize on the right hand side of the f of x the various date and time functions, and we have two that I'm going to use. The now function gets the current time, and the date extract gets the hour or the day or the minute out of that time. So I'm going to say date extract of now, and I'm going to get the hour out of that. And I'm going to check to see if that hour is greater than or equal to 8. And I'm also going to check to see if that is greater than, or less than or equal to 10. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that first part, paste it at the bottom, and see if that is less than or equal to 10. So this expression will return true if it's between these two times and false if it's not. So if I use this tag now in the driven scan class, I can pull at one rate between 8 and 10 and a different rate outside of that. So I'm going to go ahead and press OK. I'm going to go up here to create a new scan class. I'm going to call this the new scan class driven time of day. I'm going to set that to a driven scan class. The fast rate I'm going to set to 1 second, and the slow rate I'm going to set to 0. I don't want to pull it when the condition is false. The driving tag is going to be my trigger with the values equal to a value of 1. I'm going to come down, press OK, and now put these other tags into that scan class. I'm going to go and edit those tags, right click, and go put them to the driven time of day. And now this is, the trigger here is false, so of course we're not pulling it right now because it's not between 8 and 10. But when that trigger goes to true, I will pull those tags from the PLC. So it's very simple to do this type of polling by using a driven scan class. The driven scan class is a very flexible and powerful scan class type that we have in Ignition.